In this video we are talking about if Chainlink is going to lower levels or if we see a run to the upside. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are between two very interesting areas. On the one hand we have this demand zone right here which caused the all-time high, and on the other hand we have this supply zone right here where we always find resistance and can't break through the upside right now. On the weekly chart we are seeing lower highs all the way and lower lows. So right now we are in a bearish structure, and for me this level will decide if we are breaking through the upside or not, because from this high right here we saw this break of structure here to the downside. As you can see, from this high right here we caused this lower low, so we made here a lower low. So if we don't break this high to the upside, there won't be higher levels for Link. But if we are breaking this last high to the upside, the chance that we are seeing much higher highs for Link is very high. But as we go on the daily chart, we can see some very interesting things. Here you can see again the high which caused the new lower low. Then we saw this demand zone right here which caused this move to the upside, and we have this two supply zones right here. And in the last videos I said if we are breaking this high to the upside, that we are seeing much higher price for Link. I will show you now the clip for context. So if you want to invest in Chainlink right now, I would recommend that you wait if we break this small resistance to the upside, and there's a very high chance that we come to higher levels. After the last video we saw that Chainlink came to this resistance line. We didn't saw a body close right here, so I didn't enter a long position right here. We came back to this zone, took some liquidity, and as we came back into this purple resistance, I moved into a long position after this candle closed right here. And after that we saw a bullish move about 9% to the upside. Now it's very important for Chainlink, if we want to see higher prices, that we break this supply zone right here to the upside, and in the best case this supply zone right here as well. So what are my game plans for the next time on Chainlink? If we come to the upside and see some bearish reaction right here, I would take some profits, because then the chance is really high that we move to the downside. And as you can see, I moved here into a long position, and from the down to the top we saw a move about 26%. We saw this explosive move to the upside. The first time we came into the supply zone we saw this small retracement, but then we pushed through the supply zone right here. Then we came into the bigger supply zone, and as I said, from this supply zone we saw this move to the downside. But now the question is, will we continue to go to even lower levels, or do we find a bullish reaction to the upside? So I think the chance is high that we are moving to the downside, because we saw this supply zone right here where we saw this reaction which was really explosive to the downside. And as long as we don't break this supply zone or this purple resistance to the upside, I think that we don't see higher prices for Link. But if we would break this supply zone to the upside and this purple resistance, then Link will explode to the upside. So look at this level at $8.8. So I think that we're going to lower levels, because from this demand zone right here, from this overall higher high, we didn't saw the push over this supply zone. So we didn't make an higher high, and we made here a lower high as you can see, and we saw this explosive move to the downside. So the chance is high that we are seeing institutions shorting Link right here, and that we are going to the downside. But if we come to this demand zone right here, and if we are seeing a bullish reaction, then I would move into another long position on Link, because I think Link is a very good project with very high potential. So if we are seeing bullish momentum at good prices, I would move into long positions. And if we are breaking this demand zone to the downside, this demand zone right here is very important, and the chance that we are seeing some support right there is very high. But if anything interesting happens for Link, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Chainlink. So all in all, congrats to everybody who took the trade and took some profits on this Chainlink move. And as I said, this level will decide if we are going to even higher levels, and on the long run I'm really bullish on Link. But right now the chance that we are seeing a larger retracement is very high. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.